Students, you see many frogs during the rainy seasons, don't you? You see them jumping here and there around our houses. We see them swimming in the pond as well.
A frog can live both on the land and in the water.
Animals that live both on land and in the water are known as amphibians. So, a frog belongs to the class Amphibia.
Vertebrates like a toad, a salamander, a newt, and a hyla also belong to the class Amphibia.
Look at the body of the frog. It has a head and a trunk.
A fish has a tail in addition to the head and the trunk. But a frog does not have a tail. It does not have a neck either.
Most of the amphibians have only a head and a trunk. But the amphibians like a salamander and a newt have a tail as well.
But none of the amphibians have a neck.
Students, you all know that a fish has scales on its body. Now, look at this frog. Unlike a fish, a frog doesn't have scales on its body. Its body is covered with moist skin.
A frog breathes through its skin in the water.
While the frog is in the water, the skin of the frog takes the oxygen dissolved in water and throws out carbon dioxide produced by the body. All amphibians breathe through their skins in the water.
But they have lungs to breathe on the land.
You all know that a tadpole is the baby of a frog. It has gills to breathe in the water like a fish. And a tadpole cannot live on the land. When a tadpole grows into an adult frog, it breathes through its skin, in the water, and through its lungs on the land.
The babies of most of the amphibians breathe through their gills.
You all know that a fish swims to move. It swims with the help of its fins. But a frog hops to move on the land and swims in the water.
A frog uses its strong hind limbs to hop on the land, and it swims in the water with the help of its webbed feet.
A frog has 2 pairs of limbs. It uses these limbs for locomotion. Most of the amphibians have 2 pairs of limbs. They use their limbs for locomotion.
Like species, amphibians also lay eggs in water. Their baby comes out of their eggs.
Students, you know that a fish has 2-chambered heart. But a frog has 3-chambered heart. Amphibians like a toad and a salamander also have three-chambered hearts.
All the amphibians have three-chambered heart.
The Pisces are cold-blooded animals, aren't they? Like Pisces, amphibians are also cold-blooded animals.
Their body temperature changes according to their surroundings.